a pickup which is positioning the parts on the center lines for a vacuum end effector, which we can zoom in right there. And then we have another tool that is a gripper that will pick up SIPs in strips or parts independently and present them to the solder bath and then to the flux bath. And in this case, the customer wanted to drop off into a solvent tank, which is right in that position. What I'm going to do is cycle the machine so you can get a sense of how it operates. Let me go back over the tooling here a little bit. The system is designed to pick up parts on center lines by vacuum of varying size when we bump them against the different stops here, as you can see. And likewise, we have a tool, as I said earlier, for the which is a gripper for picking up SIPs and flat pack components as well as quads with a gripper. I'm going to go ahead now and cycle the machine as I said I would, so you can see the operation of it. Okay, here we're emulating the vacuum pickup, moving to flux. You see the draw swiper operating there. Presenting the parts to the solder bath. And then this is the drop off into the it's really going to be quite a little workhorse. Now these dwells, of course, are all programmable, as are the positions. I'm going to back away here to get a little bit more overview of the machine. And then I'm going to come around to the back. Remember, the system is still intact and fully assembled yet, so the guard is not around it and some of the enclosures. But you can get a good idea of the operation and function of the machine. And you should have by now received the Opus software diskette, which shows the ease of the programming of the system. I think that's it for right now. And